Rob with Garage Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to talk about this barbecue I installed on my pontoon boat. It is one of my favorite upgrades. It allows us to stay out on the lake and barbecue and not have to go in or worry about bringing a whole pile of snacks and food. The barbecue itself is just a small light-duty barbecue. It heats up fast and it cools down fast, which is very important, so I can put it underneath in my storage. All the parts for this build are locally available, either at RV stores or at a Walmart, and it was very easy to install. Took me about 20 minutes and no major work required on the barbecue or on the boat to install this.
While I was looking around, it hit me. RV tables are already designed to be removable, lightweight, and sturdy, so why not use the same parts for the barbecue? This all starts with a recessed aluminum RV table base. I cut a hole in the floor at the back of the pontoon boat and installed it just like you would in an RV. The one thing I did do was add a small drain hole at the bottom, so if any water gets in, it had somewhere to go instead of sitting inside the mount. Everything is screwed in securely using either wood screws or metal screws, and once installed it feels really secure. For the upright, I used the matching aluminum RV table tube. It slides right into the base, so it's really easy to install or remove when I need. That's one of my favorite parts of the setup. If I'm not using the barbecue, I simply pull out the post, put it under my seat, and I don't have this permanent mount sticking off the side of my boat. For the top, I bought an aluminum RV table top. Then I centered the portable barbecue on top and drilled the holes through the barbecue. The nice thing is that the RV tabletop already had the pre-drilled mounting holes, so I simply had to install the small stainless steel bolts that lined up perfectly with those holes. It ended up being a really clean install. I also wanted everything to hold up in the weather. Pretty much every part on this build is either aluminum or stainless steel. That means no painted steel rusting away after a season or two. Using RV parts also keeps the whole setup lightweight, which is perfect for a pontoon. Now for the important part. Let's see if it actually works. This has honestly worked better than I expected. It's stable, it's easy to cook on, and having lunch right here on the lake instead of heading back to shore has made our days here even better. For safety, I only use this while we're stopped or anchored. Obviously you don't want an open flame while you're driving around the lake. I also keep a fire extinguisher on board, let everything cool down before removing it, and always pay attention to where the heat is going. So that's my inexpensive DIY pontoon barbecue mount using mostly RV table parts. It's simple, it's removable, it's corrosion resistant, and it does exactly what I wanted it to do. If you've got a pontoon boat and you've been thinking about adding a barbecue without spending hundreds of dollars on a commercial mount, hopefully this gives you another option. For all of the products used in this video, I'll leave links in the description below.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'll have more videos coming your way, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.